Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels like ages since I've actually sat in front of the camera, but I thought I need to sit down and fill you in and let you all know what's been going on. As some of you may know, there was a problem in the corner of my dining room and things went from bad to worse, literally like that. It was so quick. I hadn't filmed any videos. I was taking a little short break from YouTube, from filming, spending quality time with Lee and Lee, and everything was fine. And then 2 weeks ago we decided we were going to go ahead and have the floor repaired in time for Christmas, because I was decorating, changing things out and everything else, and things just took a drastic turn. So we had the floor fitter come out and decided that we were going to save the Condine flooring and get a little bit longer out of it, because it's been down for almost 6 years, but it's very expensive flooring, and because mine is laid on floorboards, plywood, screed and then the flooring, it was such a huge job to rip all the flooring up and have to deal with that right now. So I thought we'll just get the Condine repaired. So I had the fitter come out, mark the flooring, to take the flooring up, ready for the builders to fix what we thought was a slip joist. It turns out that it wasn't a slip joist, it was actually dry rot. And it went from I'm not going to say an inexpensive job, it was probably going to cost us around £2,500 to repair the joist and repair the Condine flooring too. Well, it tripled that instantly. As soon as the floor got took up by the Condine fitter, the floorboards just crumbled away because the plyboards had to come up too. So I'm going to insert lots of pictures now for you to see. I'll probably just put them in and carry on rambling on while you're looking at the pictures of my once was beautiful dining room. It's now getting there, it's looking a little bit better. The flooring has been repaired, the joists and beams have all been replaced. It had spread to around 3 meters, so I think there was 5 joists and beams replaced, and the floorboards put back, and we are now just waiting for the floor fitter to come out, and I'm yet to decide on what flooring I'm going for. All the other bits are all in place, ready to decorate and everything else, but with this drastic turn of events, a lot of things have been slowed down because the budget was originally set and we have way over exceeded the budget. And I've made the mistake of going out 4 weeks previous a new sofa and paid for the sofa, and had I have known then what I know now, I wouldn't have purchased the sofa yet. I would have waited, because that money could have gone towards other things, more important things. So everything is at a standstill at the moment. The walls need plastering, some skirting boards need replacing, then I need to decorate, then I need to have the floor laid, and my new sofa is scheduled to come on November 1st. I don't know whether I'm going to have to push that forward a little bit to maybe the first week of November, because I just don't know how things are going to go, and sometimes builders can let you down, and you know, they have other jobs to do, and I think the most important thing first of all is to have the walls plastered and the new skirting boards fitted. Before I even think about laying a floor, that has to be done. I want everything to be sorted and perfect before I even think about putting a Christmas decoration out, and I can't wait to film all that and share it with you. But I've just had a few huge spanners thrown into the works, and you know, obviously our finances have been hugely affected by this, so everything has been at a standstill. I can't film cleaning videos or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is put a compilation together of all my cleaning videos and just take all my little favourite bits out and include them into a video for you to watch through the week. And I just thought I would come on to let you know that I'm still here, I'm still happy, got a planned week off work. So next week I will be off work and getting into whatever I can get into with regards to the house. I've got loads of changes coming up that I can't wait to share with you. A whole room transformation. Things are going to look very different. The only thing that will be staying downstairs is my dining suite, because let's not speak about the hassle we had over dining tables. My dining suite is staying, and a couple of pieces of furniture will stay, but they are staying because I'm unsure on the space that I have in my new lounge. So I will be keeping a couple of pieces of furniture, but I'll speak about that when that time comes. I've got lots of ideas and lots of plans, and I've got some amazing Christmas decorations to share with you all. and I can't wait to get started on them. I'm hoping to be started on the Christmas decor mid-November, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I've got some amazing ideas in my mind, and it's going to be a truly magical Christmas in my new lounge. Can't wait to share it with you all, but I just thought I'd give you a little heads up and let you know why no videos have come. I did plan to have a 2 to 3 week break from filming any YouTube videos and just spending quality time with Lee and Lee, rather than all my spare time, which isn't much. I work 6 days a week, so all my spare time was being consumed with filming, editing. You know, a whole lot of work goes into YouTube, so I've had a little longer break than originally planned, and I'm eager to get stuck back in. And I want to say thank you to everybody who sent me emails and DMs and messages on YouTube also, letting me know that you're missing me. It's so nice, it's lovely, and those types of messages always spur me on to want to come back and film more. So I just want to say thank you for sticking it out with me. I've got some huge things coming towards the end of this year that I can't wait to share with you. I'm going to have a lovely new lounge and dining room for Christmas, and yeah, I'm going to swap some things out in the kitchen too, and I just can't wait to share it with you all. So thank you for sticking with me. It is chaotic at the moment, but we'll get there. Rome wasn't built in a day, and although things may not be perfect by Christmas, I'm hoping to have a lovely cosy corner for my Christmas tree in the lounge and the dining room and the kitchen too. So yeah, thanks everybody for watching. This is just a little quick short video, so I'm going to put together that little video of all my favourite cleaning bits, just for you to sit down with a cup of tea and watch, and then get stuck into some housework. I'm jealous. I wish it was me getting stuck into housework, but at the moment I'm knee deep in dust. It'll all work out in the end though. I just hope that everybody as well, if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will get back to you, and I will see you all very soon. For now, please consider subscribing to my channel, because I've got some amazing things coming and some amazing room transformations. I will be filming all of it for YouTube. And yeah, that's it. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.